up, guys? So we are making a YouTube video. So today, it is lunchtime. Lunchtime. Come get your pizza. Dude, right when I said pizza, Pop pulled up in the driveway. Pop bought pizza. There he is. Bam! Do you see the pizza in his hand? Oh, yeah. We gotta go open the door. Open the door! Oh, yay! Got it from Hey John's. It's literally, what time is it? It is 12:01 o'clock.
So you don't like mushrooms, Papa?
No, I don't.
Are you cooking mangan?
But I have one question.
Yeah, put that on top of the chicken.
I have one question
Box.
about this box.
Oh, right there on the table.
I've never seen a green Papa John's box.
You want root beer or orange drink?
I want an orange drink, please and thank you.
Thank you, Bill.
Bro, let's see what this pizza looks like.
On the other side.
Oh, bro, why is there I don't know, but when I was a baby, I used to call this a switch, like to open it. I don't know why.
I don't know.
Oh.
Where's the pizza?
I'm just
Already
kidding,
ate
bro.
half
I'm
of
kidding.
it.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Go get her. Thank you, Bill.
I'm kidding, bro. But look at this delicious pizza. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my snapness, bro. Look at
Crackle
it.
and pop.
Holy small. Oh, well, I can't edit right now.
They were
Busy?
busy. No,
Oh, wow.
You know, normally they have 6-7 pizzas stacked ready to
Yeah.
be picked up.
No business.
This is going to be a lunch compilation.
Here, put that drink on your close the top.
Yeah. Look what happened to your mother.
I
Oh,
know.
he wasn't here.
He wasn't here. Hey, close it. You're gonna spill it.
So orange, but yeah. Let's start eating our pizza for lunch.
Yeah, it looks good, huh? Yum, yum.
All right,
You
actually,
didn't want a ribeye from Cheddar's?
No.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Waffle?
Another day.
actually no, I like ribeye.
You can have that in your...
Probably. Are you coconut?
Want a drink, guys? Oh, it's
Good.
too full.
Careful. Slow.
Yo, bro, look, I'm gonna eat this paper.
What the hell is this?
I don't know. It's putting a lot of it.
I'm gonna eat a pepper.
Come here, John. Come here.
What is it? It's not cinnamon.
Dang it.
It's special
Cinnamon,
seasoning. Just go like
cinnamon.
that on the plate.
Oh.
Get up.
Let me see.
I got it here.
This is cheese and this is pepper.
That's what I'm
that's
looking for. I got the pepper.
All right, hold on. We're about to cut this. Hold on.
It didn't ruin the taste.
No. Pizza's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Papa John's is good.
Good. I know a lot of people don't order from there. It's good with Little Caesars, the $5 or $6. That's
Yeah.
the deal
it's
for
enough.
them.
Little
Yeah.
Caesars, I love Little
Well,
Caesars.
And it's good.
This is $8 and change. $9.
not bad.
$9. But with a HB coupon. The coupon says 7 and change, but the
Let me
guy
see
told
that.
me, he said, no, it's not 7 and change anymore, it's 8 and change.
The cheese done?
Oh.
Let me try it.
He said, but HB hasn't changed their taste. said, well, it's all right. So you talk to them.
Really?
It's inside the city limits, you fix it.
Yeah, probably.
See,
Hello.
Yeah.
back
Not yet.
before you were born, Bill, Highway 77 and within it, 8th and Elizabeth. So Central Boulevard was Highway 77,
Oh, wow.
and so was the one going to the academy.
I bet it was so different back then.
Oh, yeah.
I would've-
How old is your Shelby?
Huh?
How old is your Shelby?
How old is the somebody? 6
Why do you
years.
want to know, man?
6 years plus 6 years older than me, so I'm 42. 6 plus 42 is 48. Asking how old my sister is.
I don't know how that Carol is.
She's
Why do
five,
you want to know ladies' ages?
she's 5 years older than me.
Huh?
Well,
Ah.
Carol's 40. When my sister was born.
Brother?
No, I'm older. My brother's the youngest.
Oh.
Those what was the Superman that was going to shoot up that school?
Hmm.
Crazy.
Oh, in far.
Yeah.
Background says blood loss. Break that one back.
Up today.
But I want a big slice again. Ready?
Protect our communities and safeguard the
This
Second
size.
Amendment rights of
3,
law-abiding
2,
citizens.
The
One.
$13 billion package will enhance background checks.
Joe.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Oh, you, where you can't reach. And,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I did it. I switched to T-Mobile Home Internet, and I am loving it.
Don't sneak up on me like that.
Why don't you tell me to switch over?
Sneak up on me.
Dude, great ride, right? This Silverado keeps me connected and in control. And this touchscreen is my command.
I don't know how.
New models are around
Yeah.
daily.
did they use that machine?
What shit?
The
You
one
know, guys.
to see where it is?
It's for dad to make your Father's Day shopping. Urban Signature appliances.
Eat.
Doing like Jeffy.
You too. Remember, buy it with your teeth.
Own it in the Hyundai Santa Fe.
The dentist said that he needs to like. What?
Guys, what's up with this questionable pizza?
Why?
The little one.
Oh,
What is that?
it's shrunk.
You can unmute it now.
Yeah, I did.
This is for narrow-minded people.
Dude,
Every time we turn around, it's $100 to this, $100 to that.
But no.
Jab, 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 jab. What?
Um, so it's at.
Look at that big mess that. Look at that big mess that Bob made. Now whatever. I'm done, bro. That was good. That was a long time of lunch. This Coke smacks.
okay, let's birthday.
June 20th. Oh,
Yeah, I remember.
pretty quick.
Yeah, the
I
Bruce.
think it's Monday. Bruce was July 29th.
When is Kayla?
June 27th, I think. Monday?
That's Monday.
I'll just give him money. $50 y quería que le fuera bien.
Like when Andrea was telling all my sisters, on my birthday you have to give me money. Just give me money. I'm like, you, I want.
Hunter, you're gonna hurt your neck.
Stop, Andrea.
Well, you know, the way they know what they want.
Yeah, that's true.
You give them something that they don't want, and they sit there.
True.
I don't say
Her, so now
that.
she's driving and she's gonna get a car plus like for her gas and
Yeah.
stuff like that's why she wants money.
And with Kayla, all she thinks about is those horses.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna give her money so she can go spend it on a horse. And if I give her a gift card,
You know.
she won't go because she says now she orders her jeans. Give her the $50 and let her buy whatever she wants.
I don't know. I do
Well, I
not
forgot
know
to
what
ask
the
you.
hell I just did.
How come Morgan's name is not Morgan on the driver's license?
You asked him?
No.
I do not know what that is.
He's gonna give you some kind of excuse.
He probably doesn't even know either. He probably
on the
didn't.
23rd. If you see a better deal, let us know so we can pass
Maybe
it
she's
along.
wanted.
You can find us on social media.
Oh my, I hope my, you know what, no, I'm not saying it.
Amazon says it is considering giving Alexa new voices.
That was good, bro. I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill like a film. Just gonna watch
During
TV.
a recent conference, there was a video of a child asking, "Can Grandma finish reading me The Wizard of Oz?" Alexa's voice then changed to the grandmother's voice. So far, there's no information on when or if this feature.
Okay, I get it. Shut your mouth. I just burped and it tasted like pizza.
Before you head to the park or wind down after a day of family fun. Visit IHOP today and save.
Our greatest strength is our clients.
We were rear-ended by a distracted driver.
The insurance company don't always.
If you're in an accident, you owe it.
Hi, everybody. Check me. See what's going on outside.
They were having dinner.
Whoa! Freak. Freak. That was gross. Why did it sound like someone actually threw up? Now my spit looks like orange. I don't know why, but... Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. I almost just fell out. What's up, bird? I'm in my socks right now, bro. I don't know why. And I'm walking on these things. I think they're... Oh, God, bird. I think they're called bricks. I don't know. Chicks? Wait, what? Gosh. I used to run on these all the time. Whoa. The sun is so bright, bro, and it's barely 12:30. I don't know who that is, but okay. Shush your mouth. Hey. Okay, good. Well, guys, I think this is it for this video. So, bye.